Hello guys, I'm Alan Quest. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your email ID in case you have lost your email ID, someone who has changed the password or someone who has hijacked or hacked your email ID. You don't have now recovery email or recovery phone number. How do you access to the recoveries? Because unfortunately one viewer who has recommended to recover quickly because he has lost his, especially today, device. So let's see how it is possible. Yes, by providing sufficient information via alternative way, this can be recovered. So of course, I decided to recover quickly. So just let's record it live how it is possible. Yes, we have a two option. One is a forgot email and email. Just go for next. So just we have the clicks on an X. Now here we have a two option. One is a forgot password we don't have, or if we have a password then we can type here, we can go for next. So right now just we don't have password. Now see guys here, because password has been already changed by. Now see, we have a two option. Either we have a phone number, we don't have a phone number, we don't have a phone number also. So now what we will do guys here, it's the thing that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. So of course, if can be the possible, we can sign in, yes, answer as many questions we can, use a device where use Shine and before. So by two options we will have to actually recover quickly. Let's see, if I try again then it will be especially a freeze for timing, or maybe multiple times if I able to try especially again, then Google will open one another platform. There of course we will have to email via different email ID, and upon with proof identity on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is really yours or not. So of course, but total time can be expected, yes, within 48 hours. Of course this can be possible. So you will have to wait a long time especially, but quickly you would like to save your data, this can be possible. Of course, just we will cut it from here, and upon we will come in a Play Store. In a Play Store, what we have to do, just we will have to download that is one browser, a smart browser, safer and fast. Quickly of course we can access to the recovery. So now it has started to install, but 2-3 here is installing. On the other hand, of course we will have to come in a Google product, and of course we will have to hold the Z browser. Now we have a help icon, just we will have to type on a icon, especially help icon, and now here notification we will have to make it block. Yes, so let's click on here notification, it's already blocked. If it is enabled then make it disable. We will back one more time and come in a permission, and of course we will try to navigate the location guys. Let's see, if I click here, the before the coming here, firstly we will have to use make it disable the precise location, and upon of course click on it, especially don't allow any way. Now we will have to click. So if you deny this permission, as we see it's clear the basic feature of your device mean no longer function as intended. For timing I'm doing it. So let's see, now we will cut it from here, and once again we have another product of Google, that is a Chrome browser. Chrome browser, we will click on a help icon, hold it. After holding, of course we will click on a help icon, and upon of course we will click on a notifications. So just now in notification we will make it disable, and now in a permission of course we will have to once again navigate the location. So let's see, you would be landed here. Now you have to make it precise location disable, and upon of course we will click on especially don't allow anyway, click on save it, and upon of course we will little more back and use permission, free up space, make it disable, and upon of course one more time we will have to back. Now we have a browser app here, we will have to select this smarter browser, and upon what we have to do now, yes, we will go for open this smarter browser, and upon of course there we will try to recover particular ID that we want. Now here we have options to go for continue. In continue, now it's launching, so we will have to wait here. Now here simply we will have to type google co.in. So now see here it's opening google co.in we will have to write. So if we are unable to, then of course directly we can pick the Google. Now here this ad we will have to close, and here we will have to pick this, and now we are on here. Just we will have to click on this sign in now. So now see guys, here it has been opened. Now we will have to pick there this Gmail. So that we want to recover, so that was especially. Now we will go for next, and if I click here next, then it will demand a password. Now we don't have password, we will click on a forgot, and upon what will happens here guys, now directly it's asking the phone number. We don't have a phone number, so now we will click on a especially don't have a phone number. Now what will happen here guys, now it's asking a try again. If I click here try again, so then of course what will happen, it will be a freeze for timing of for 48 hours or 1 day, 2 days or 24 hours. Can be expected guys, as usually we are getting this kind of the corollary while the recovery of the different email. So on the basis of my experience I'm saying so here. So what we have to do, don't click on a try again. So now we will have to go with alternative options. So what is alternative option, just we will cut it from here, and of course now we will have to tap on a setting. So here it is setting, tap on it. Now we will have to pick the Google service options. Here is a Google service. Now we have a help icon where it is on a 3 dot. Just we will have to now this help we will have to pick, and thereupon of course we will go in a consign your Gmail accounts or Google accounts. Here of course we have options, let it display properly. Now see guys, here what we have to do, we will have to pick this fourth options. So now it has been opened. Wait, now here we have a secure your account, we would like to secure. So now here we have a review your account, so activities. Of course now click here, find out if your account has been hacked. Now of course we will go for scroll, and here just we have a recovery page. Just we will click on here, and now see once again here this page is of course, and we will have to write on this browser, and here now we will go for once again try again. Now we will go for here, click on here to next. We will have to go for here. So let's see, click on a next. Now directly we would be landed here, and now see here what we have to do. Just simply we will have to switch this, change the password. Don't go for on a continue, otherwise some of the question once again will be queried by especially Google. So now here we have a strong opportunity to create this strong password, confirm the password, and upon click on here change, and after changing of course you will have to add their alternative email. Once again you will have to add their alternative Gmail as a recovery, and upon your you would be able to recover quickly guys. Right now on a screen the recording, especially we cannot create here live, but of course now we are going to firstly save some important data from this ID, and upon of course we will go for further. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Now see here this ID is totally now here this ID that we wanted to recover. We can go for manage directly also. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry of course have the query below the comment box, and the pleasure will be mine to reply your query. And if you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget of course like, subscribe, and share this content. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Keep watching.